Hello, dear friend. This is Sharon from Dove Proxy. Dove Proxy, based in the US, is a world-leading provider of mobile proxy IP and dynamic residential proxy IP and is known for awesome 24/7 non-stop customer services, web scraping and ad verification, data collection, market research, social media accounts management, SEO monitoring, and more. Dove Proxies, dynamic residential proxy, has stable connection and growing pool to meet your needs. There are over 50 million residential IPs worldwide. There is no need for you to worry about capture authentication or proxy blocking. It is extremely stable connection, 99% uptime guaranteed. You can use channel mode to use Dove Proxy's dynamic residential proxy. Now, I will show you how to use dynamic residential proxies channel mode. Before you use the channel mode, please buy the traffic package. Firstly, all Dove Proxy's modes are traffic-based. You can visit Dove Proxy's official website by clicking this website. Firstly, you sign up. After you finish sign up and become a user, then you get your username and password to log in. Now we come to the dashboard. You click the recharge button, and then you can see the traffic package, concurrency package, and channel packages. Okay, please click on the traffic package. The first recharge package, it is $12 for 3 gigabytes. That is $4 per gigabyte. So you can click buy now. A dialog pops up. This is to remind you to choose a country. You can choose no preference, or you can select which detailed country you need. Now we click no preference. Please note attention that users in China mainland cannot access our service. Unused tokens can only be refunded within 7 days. And then we click the OK button. Now we come to the payment method interface. There are two kinds of payment methods, traditional payment and digital currency payment. You can choose which payment is best for you. For example, we click PayPal, and then you click Next Step button. Please note that because the PayPal transaction fee is very high, we will pay half of the PayPal transaction fee for you. And we click the OK button. And here you finish your PayPal pay. After you finish your payment, let's come back to the dashboard. And now we click the recharge menu. You can check your purchase record by click the Order Records menu. And you can also check your recharge history. After you confirm the purchase is okay, you can come to the menus on the left of the interface. You click the Proxies button. Now we choose and click Dynamic Residential button. Okay, now we can see the geo information. So this is for country, the drop-down options. You can choose which country you need and click search. And here is the locations and daily IP quantity, online duration. It is at least 1 hour. Rotation time, it is from 1 to 3 hours. And now we can choose how to use it. You can use by channel. You can use on your Android app. And you can also use by Chrome extensions. Now we click the View button to see what will show up. Now we come to the interface of the channel management. To find the channel management button, you can also click the menu in the left. Click here and click channel management. Okay, now we come back to the channel management interface. Please note that for channels including mobile proxy and dynamic residential proxies channels, the total number of free channels is 5. If you need more than 5 channels, please go to the recharge interface and click the channel package to purchase more channels. These are the channels I have set up. In total, there are 6 channels. And status on, it is 5 channels, and 1 is off. So now the available and effective channels are 5. Now we click the create button to say whether we can create a new channel right now or not. Here we input the channel name. IP type, we can choose dynamic residential. Country. The default country is UAE, and you can choose the country you need in the drop-down options. The IP rotating time ranges from 60 to 180 minutes for dynamic residential IP. Here we input 70 minutes. Select the protocol, HTTP or SOX5, and authentication methods, whitelist or username. Here we choose whitelist. And protocol version, you can choose all by default, or you can choose only IPv4 or IPv6. It depends on your needs. IP filter method, you can choose randomly or you can choose the close location. Choose the close location. This is a very important function. If you need to do account farming, you can choose the close location so that the accounts will not be banned. So please note that the channel will be automatically closed if it is not used for more than 5 days. And now we click the Save button to see whether we can create a new channel or not. Sorry, you can only create 5 effective channels. So now, if you need more channels, you can click the Recharge button in the left menu, and you click the Buy Packages. Click Channel Packages. Yeah, here please note that each account has 5 complementary channels. If more channels is needed, the purchase is available. The purchase channels is to increase the quantity of channels, does not promise the channels of certain country. The purchase channels will be invalid and closed once it exceeds the expiration date. For package 1, $5, the channel quantity is 1 and channel available time it is 30 days. For package 2, it is $50 and channel quantity is 10. And we also supply the customized service for you. And the channel quantity upper limit, it is 100. At most you can buy 100 channels one time, and the amount is $500. And then you can click buy now to finish your payment. And then you can create more channels here. Then we click the channel management menu. Okay, now we come back to the channel management interface. And now we can see here is a channel list. Each list includes information, the channel name, IP type, country, proxy server address, port, select protocol, authentication methods, authentication password, IP rotating time, IP acquisition status. Status is on, protocol version all, create time, you can check, and here's the operate buttons. You can edit the channel, view, click, okay, edit the channel. For example, the IP rotating time, you can, this is a mobile proxy. We can change to 8 minutes and then save. Okay, here input the verification code. And then we click the save button. Then you can click the view. Okay, now the IP rotating time now is 8 minutes. Okay, The close button. If you click this button, you will turn off this channel. Okay, now we click the close button. Are you sure you won't close? If you are sure, so you click the OK button successfully. Okay, now this channel, the status is off. Okay, for the reset button, reset means you can change for another new IP when you think the current IP is not okay for you to use. Okay, we click the reset button successfully, and you can check that the current IP is updated already. For whitelist, you can get here. You can click the menu in the left. Click the whitelist management menu. Now you click the Start Testing button and the IP will show up. And then you click the Add to Whitelist button. You can see the IP in the below whitelist of authorized users. Okay, it reminds you successfully. If you want to edit these IPs, you can click the Edit button. And now we click the Save button. Okay, so now you can use the channel mode to apply the dynamic residential proxy. Okay, dear friend, though proxy is worth for you to try, please contact us for a free traffic package. To try by clicking this website in the description below. You have access to get contacts to find us for more Dove proxy information. And thank you very much for watching our tutorial video. It's greatly appreciated for you to subscribe our YouTube at Dove Proxy and review our videos below. Your feedback is a great encouragement for us to show you more and better content. Thank you. See you next time.